This video will show you how to use AutoSum in Excel. First of all, to add the figures for January, I'm going to click into cell F2. Then, from the editing group on the Home tab, I'll click on AutoSum. It's a little Greek symbol that looks like an E. Excel will guess that I wish to add B2 to E2. As that's the correct area, I can press Enter on my keyboard to complete the formula, or I can click on the little tick next to the formula bar. F2 displays the result, but in the formula bar you can see equals sum, open bracket, B2, E2, close bracket. This means to add the area from B2 to E2. I'd like to have the same type of formula for the rest of the months, so I can get my mouse onto the tiny green block in the bottom corner of the cell. You'll notice the cursor change into a little black cross. Then you can either left click and drag down, or you can double click. The double click is super quick, but you'll have to take care that it goes all the way down to the bottom. Now let's see about Tom's total. I'll click into B14, but this time I'm going to go to the Formulas tab and click on AutoSum from there. Excel is guessing that I'd like to add B9 to B13. It's not quite the correct area. All I need to do is ignore the area and select the correct one. So I'd like B2 to B13. Press the tick or press Enter. Again, I can click in the bottom corner and fill the formula across to the other columns. Alternatively, if your data contains empty cells, you might like to highlight the data first, then click on AutoSum. In this case, the formula is automatically inserted underneath. Now I'm just going to undo all of those formulas using Ctrl-Z. I'm going to select the data B2 to F14, go back to Home, click on AutoSum, and all the columns and rows will be added at the same time. Marvelous! If you would like to add data that's not side by side, or you would like a total in a cell not directly beside the data, you can still use AutoSum, but the technique is slightly different. Click where you want the result, click on AutoSum, and then just select the area you would like. The next one has two areas I'd like to add. So AutoSum, select the first area, then you can type a comma, then select the next area. Press Enter or tick to finish. Finally, I would like to add Tom and Raven's first 6 months. So AutoSum, get the first 6 months. This time, instead of typing a comma, I'm going to hold the Control key on my keyboard and then go and get the other data. This is the same as typing a comma, but just choose whichever method you like. If you need to add further areas, type a comma or hold the Control key again. Continue as you need to. Now, just out of interest, the AutoSum button has a drop-down, and from here you'll find the most common functions: average, count, maximum and minimum. You can also click on more functions to access where all the functions are stored. If you would like to know more about these, then why not check out our other videos. In this video, we've had a quick look at AutoSum.